Hello everyone. In today's video we are going to talk about make Ubuntu 22.04 look like macOS. Myself Mohammed Zubair and this channel is all about showing you how to become a highly paid IT pro really fast. So without any further ado, let's get started. To make your Ubuntu 22.04 look like macOS, there are some things that you need to download before you download your themes, your icon packs, your wallpaper, and some other extensions. So first of all, let's open our terminal, and in that, let's update our system. So I'll write here sudo apt update, and after that, we need to make sure that we upgrade all the updates as well. So we'll do the same here, and then we'll download our Gnome tweaks, and then we'll download our Gnome shell extension manager, because both of those utilities will help us to customize our Ubuntu to look like macOS. Let's upgrade our system. Well, we are almost done with the upgrade as well. And now let's install our Gnome tweaks. The command for that is sudo apt space install space gnome hyphen tweaks and hit enter. This is a small utility, and after that we need to install Gnome shell extension manager as well. The command for that is sudo apt install space gnome hyphen shell hyphen extension hyphen manager. Well, there is one thing, and that is if you go with Gnome shell extension or Gnome shell extension manager, both of them will work for you. I prefer to go with extension manager. So now I'll hit enter. Basically, I have already installed my Gnome tweaks, that is why it hasn't taken a lot of time, but I haven't installed my Gnome shell extension manager, so it will take a little bit of time. And now I'll show you that how both of them look like. So first of all, let's open our Gnome tweaks. Here it is. I'll just open that one. So here it is, and this is how it looks like. So basically, with the appearance, we'll be changing our cursor, we'll be changing our icons, we'll be changing our applications, and we'll do many more things. And with the help of Gnome extension shell manager, we'll install some of the extensions into our Ubuntu. And now let's open our Gnome shell extension manager. So I'll write here extension, here it is, and I'll just open that one. This is how it looks like. So basically, in case if you want to browse for some extension, you can do that from here directly. I'll just minimize this one for the moment, and now let's open our Mozilla Firefox, and this time we'll download some of the themes for our macOS. First one will be Whitesir Big Mac OS, and before that we have to go to the official website of Gnome shell extension. So I'll write here Gnome shell extension, and I'll hit enter. From here we need to install the extension for Gnome extension into our Mozilla Firefox. So just click on the official link of Gnome shell extension. It will take us to its official website. There is a reason that I'm showing you this, because there are some users who cannot download and install the extensions from its official web page. And if it's the case with you, I'll show you the alternate route. So just click here to install browser extension. It will download it and add it into our Mozilla Firefox. So just click on continue to installation, and you will see we'll have an icon at the top, and here it is. Now, from here, we need to install user theme extension as well. Why is that so? Because in case if you are going to download and use some of the third-party extension into your Ubuntu, you have to have this extension into your system. So just click on it, and from here, it will show you a button to download and install it. Here it is. Just click on this button, and now this has been installed into your system. Okay, now let's talk about in case if you cannot install it from here. What should you do? Well, open your extension manager and just search for user theme in here. You can install and download different extensions from here as well if your web browser doesn't work. So as you can see, I have already installed it. That is why it says installed. Now it's time to download some of the user theme. First of all, I'm going to download Whitesir Big Mac OS theme. Hit enter. It will give you the link of GitHub repository. Here it is. Just click on it, and down here it says Whitesir GTK theme. We'll open that one as well. Now I'll go to GitHub repository and we'll download this file. So for that purpose, just click on this code file, and from here click on download zip. It will download a zip file for this particular theme into our downloads directory. We are done with the download of our theme, and if you go to the Gnome shell extension, you can download it from here as well. And as you can see, it is also giving you the link of the GitHub as well. So it's all up to you that how you want to download. Other than the GitHub, here you have download button, and if you scroll down and go into your file section, here it will also allow you to download this particular file. So basically we have different ways to download one file. So we are done with the download of our theme. Now let's go to our files and let's extract our theme that we have just downloaded. So I'll go to my downloads. Here it is. I'll just double click on it. I'll click on extract and I'll extract it into my downloads directory. So I'll just click on extract and we are good to go. So I'll just close this one and here it is. Let's open this one. And here if you see, here we have different shell files that we can run. We have install.sh and we have tweaks.sh. So right click here and click on open in terminal. So here it is. And now what we'll do, we'll run this file that says install.sh. So I'll write here ./install.sh. And before we hit enter, I want to show you one more thing. Let's go to our GitHub repository from where we downloaded this file. There are some flags that we can use along with the installation instruction. For example, here you can see here it says connect Wallpaper theme to Flatpak. To do that, we have to use this flag. Down here we have different themes that we can download. We have red, we have green, and in case if we want to install all of them, just go with this command as -t space all. And if you scroll down, you will have more information about it. So let's go with all. So I'll write here -t space all and I'll hit enter. It will install all the themes of Wallpaper into my Ubuntu. Okay, I'll have my password, hit enter once again, and installation process has just started. Let's wait for it, and then there is one more file that we need to run. We are done here with the installation of our theme, and now we need to run another file. If I open my files, here you can see we have tweaks.sh. Well, we'll run this file as well, but we need to make sure that we run this file as a sudo user. So I'll write here /tweaks.sh space -g. -g will make sure that we have our display manager for Gnome also changed. So hit enter just now. It will also install it, and we are done with this one as well. So we are done with the theme installation, and now it's time to have our icon pack of our macOS, because you can see these icons are not of macOS. So I'll just search for macOS Big Sur icons and hit enter. Here you can see, here we have the GitHub link that says Wallpaper icon themes macOS Big Sur. Just click on it and again it will take us to GitHub repository. From here click on this code button and click on this download zip file. Let's wait for it and then we'll accept this file and again we'll start our installation. We are done with our icon theme as well. Now let's go to our directory. Let's go to our downloads and here we have icon themes. Right click on it and click on extract here, or you can just double click on it and from here click on extract and we'll go to our homes directory. In this directory, right click here and click on show hidden files, and as you can see these are all the hidden files that are starting with the dot. Now here we need to create another directory, so click on create folder and name it as .icons and hit enter. And now we need to extract our icons in this particular folder, so just click on extract and the extraction process will just begin. As you can see, we are done with this one as well, and now it's time to implement all of these themes and icons onto our Ubuntu. So for that purpose we need to use Gnome tweaks. If you remember, we downloaded at the start of our video. So I'll just search for tweaks. Here it is. Just open this one. Well, in terms of application, just click on this drop down arrow and here you have different options. Like here you have different options with respect to your Wallpaper. And if you remember, we installed all of them. That is why we are getting all of these options. I'll go with the blue one, so just click on it. After that, in terms of shell, just click on this default and here you have all of these options. Again, I'll go with the blue one. So here it is. I'll just click on this one and here you can see we are changing everything in here. And now let's change the icons as well. So I'll just click on icons and click on this list. Here we have White Sur Dark, Mac Big OS Sur Master. So you can select any one of these. I'll go with the dark one in here and you can see our icons has been changed as well. So we are done with everything in terms of implementing, and at the end we need to change our title bars as well. So just click on Windows title bars and click on left, because in macOS we have our title bars on the left side. Now let's just close this one And now I'll minimize my Firefox as well. Okay, I'll right click here and click on display settings. From here, let's go to our appearance, and this time we need to make sure that we go with the dark theme for our Ubuntu. So I'll just select this one. After that, I'll just close this one. And now we need to install some of the extensions into our Ubuntu. The first extension that I'm going to install will be -to-dock. So I'll just search for -to-dock. Here it is. I'll just install this one because we know that in macOS our dock is at the bottom. So let's see how does it look like. Well, this is how it looks like. At the end we are left with two things. First one is we need to give some effect to our closing and opening of our application windows, and second our wallpaper. So first of all, I'll write here burn my windows. Here it is. I'll install this extension, and after that I'll install one more. This has been installed. Let's open any of our application. I'll open my Ubuntu Software Center, and now you will see how does it close. Here you can see it has closed with a burning effect. There is one more extension that we can use, and that is Compiz. Give it a space, and here it says Compiz alike magic lamp effect. Just install this one and this will give a new effect for our applications. Let's go to install section, and from here I'll disable my burn my windows extension that I have installed earlier. After that, let's open our files and let's see how does this extension work. If I minimize this one, here you can see now we have an effect of Mac OS. So how cool and how easy it is. And now it's time to download a wallpaper for our Ubuntu that look like Mac OS. And in here I'll search for Mac OS. So I'll write here Mac OS wallpaper. So here we have different options in terms of Mac OS wallpapers. I'll download this one that says Mac OS Venture iOS 16 Dark. I'll just click on it and let's download this wallpaper, and then we'll put that onto our desktop background. Go to its file section and click on this icon and it will download a file for you. We are done here with the download, and now let's right click onto your desktop and click on display settings. Go to your background section and from here click on add picture. Now go to your downloads directory, and here I have my Mac OS wallpaper. Let's click on this one and let's put that onto our background. So this is how it looks like as a final result. We have a dock at the bottom, we have Apple icon, we have our option menus or quick menus just like Mac OS, and at the end I'll just log my Ubuntu and then I'll show you that how does it look like at the lock screen. This is how it looks like at the lock screen, and that was all about this video. I hope now that you must have liked and learned a lot of new things watching this video. If that is the case, please leave a like, subscribe and press the bell icon. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Till the next video, take care.